The curved line exercise deals with using Bezier curves. So this time I'm going to choose the pen tool again. We'll start at this point and we'll drag out to the red dot. We'll start at this little hollow or white node and drag out to this red dot. And we'll finish with the end point and drag out to the red dot. And if you want to make adjustments, you can choose the direct selection tool or A on the keyboard, and you can use that to pull your handles left and right. So the handles will be symmetrical by default, and you can make them longer or shorter, or use them like a seesaw to create the shape that you're after. Shift Apple and A to deselect, and this one again I'm choosing that center node and I'm dragging up to the red point. This time I'm going to drag down to the red point, so I'm creating a different type of line. I'm creating a different looking line, so a wavy line. Select P on the keyboard to activate the pen tool. Start at the left point here, drag up to your red dot, and again, I'm not holding shift, I'm not holding option, I'm not holding anything, I'm just clicking and dragging, and it's creating what almost looks like a sewing stitch. I'm going to deselect that shape. Now this time we're going to introduce a technique that separates the handles from being symmetrical. So if I drag up to this red point and I click again and I drag down to that red point, if I hold down option, I can swing this handle around and end it up here at this yellow point, and that has changed the behavior of my curve so that it no longer behaves like a seesaw. So I'd taken my hand off the option key, now I'm putting it back down onto the option key. I'm holding it down until I place my handle right on that yellow dot, and then I'm letting go of my option, and then I'm clicking again and dragging. So I might do that one just one more time so you really understand what's going on, and I'll zoom into that. Select P on the keyboard to activate the pen tool. I'm clicking once inside this little node and I'm dragging up to my red point. Then I'm going to click inside that little white square and drag down to the red dot. And now I'm not letting go of my mouse, but I'm adding to this by selecting the option key or Alt on the PC, and then I'll drag up to this yellow dot. Okay, and now I've let go of option, so that has broken the symmetry of the handles. So the next time that I drag, my handle behaves, or my curve behaves differently. So you'll notice that the opposite side of this next Bezier curve is going right up to that grey dot, but if now I hold down option, I can swing my other handle around to that yellow dot and then let go, and then once more jump into the next grey or white square and drag down to that red dot, and we've created what look like sort of abstract waves on an ocean. Select P on the keyboard to activate the pen tool.